In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate sine, cosine, tangent of various angles without using calculator. Okay, so I don't want the video to be too long, but just follow me as it is going to be very much beneficial to you. So let's see how it goes. So let's consider an equilateral triangle, for example. An equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is one that has the three sides to be equal, right? So if this is an equilateral triangle, here will be what? 60 degrees. Here will be 60 degrees, and here will be 60 degrees. So let's see, we have 2, 2, 2, all right? So if we divide this triangle into two equal parts, if we divide it into two equal parts, let's bring down this out. We now have what? A right-angled triangle, okay? Having 90 degrees here. This is 60 degrees. It has not changed. Here has been divided into two, so we now have 30 degrees. Here is 2, here is 1, it has been divided into 2, and this is what? R, is unknown. So for us to get this R, what do? We use Pythagoras theorem, which states that the longest side, which is 2 square, is equal to R square plus 1 what? Square. So to making R the subject of the formula, this one has to come to this side. We now have 2 square minus 1 square equal to R square. Alright, so this can come to this side, this can go to this other side. So we now have R square here equal to 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 raised to power what? 2. R alone is equal to, this will give us what? 4 minus 1. Okay, let's put square here. Then if you bring it down again, R will now be equal to what? Root 3. So R is equal to root 3. So we can change this to what? To root 3. And yes, this is all you need. This is all you need to master sine, cosine, and tan, 60, 30, 15, and so forth, apart from angle 45. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to calculate angle 45. All right, so now let's take an example of this. Now, if you are asked to find sine 60 or sine 30, let's say SOHCAHTOA, right? SOHCAHTOA. Now you are asked to find sine 60. Sine 60 is equal to what? Opposite. This is opposite of this angle. So we have root 3 over what? The longest side, which is hypotenuse 2. So you can now say that sine 60 is the same thing as what? Root 3 over what? Over 2. So all you need to do is to master this, and then you can get any angle without using calculator. Yes, that is that simple. Now if you are looking for sine 30, what you need to do is sine 30 is equal to opposite 1 over what? Longest side, which is hypotenuse 2. So sine 30 equals to what? 1 over 2, which is half, right? Now how about when they are asking you to calculate sine 15, for example? Sine 15, you know that 15 is equal to what? 30 divided by 2. So all you need to do is to find sine 30 and then divide it by 2. That is to say, this is 1 over 2. You divide this by 2. What you have becomes your what? Sine 30. Yes, sine 15. Sine 15, sorry. Yes, what you have becomes your what? Sine 15. So this is where we'll draw the curtain for now. In my next video, I'll show you how to calculate sine 45 without using calculator. And you knowing how to calculate sine 45, sine 30, and sine 60, you will be able to calculate any other angle without using calculator. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more of these. Thank you. Bye for now.